Hello. It's your one and only Lady Joe. If you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you. God bless you. My people, I want to talk about this Jama First Lady and the Lady T issue. We just they go viral ever since for YouTube. You know, this matter when I just dey see wetin dey happen, because two of them are big YouTuber. So as this thing just come dey go viral ever since, the way the thing just come dey go, the thing I not just like am at all really, because normally there's no place where be say quarrel not the day, you understand, but this one just come turn another thing. It just come, I don't want just know who start am. I don't want know who start am, because the thing just like, it just tire me really, because I just dey listen when Jama First Lady they talk, they say na so Lady T, na so e get half caste, na so they beat pikin, na so they do this one, na so they do that one. Anyway, I know say na anger, then they make you they talk all those things, you understand, because I never just see quarrel wey una don quarrel wey be say so tey una just come dey bring pictures come out. Doesn't mean say person no fit quarrel again for this social media. So if quarrel just dey na just to dey bring pictures out, now be waiting. Any small thing, picture go just full everywhere. Husband, mama, sisters, brothers, pictures. All those things not call for now. E not call for. You can just dey bring husband picture, they bring children picture, you know. He never really worth and way be say pictures will come full everywhere. You understand? The thing just tired me really. Okay, so say every secret you can see now that time na people are proco come they call. The one way be say no even know the person. At that time you can say I know him. Na so he be. Na so he be. Na so he do this one. Na so he not do that one. Na so he go no way. Na so he not go no way. Na so he go he get 100 children. Na so he get this one. If na better thing now, you no go see the call. If she dey do normal video now, normal hook up or a topic, not dey full like that. But this one now your year now say na quarrel now. Hey, everywhere don burst. Everywhere don burst. Aproko, when I even see the view we follow her is almost 2,000, because no one can hear aproko things. All those things is not called for. This one go bring picture come out. They do come bring picture come out. So the thing go take settle. Not be say maybe make una settle the issue. Una go dey put fire. Don't wanna even know yourself, go say now even the way they born yourself. So say Lady T husband, now so you do this one. All those things not call for. I beg that they mature past something now. That they mature past something. The way Jama First Lady, the way you just continue react for the thing just tire me. You understand? I know say they don't scratch body the way it is scratch person sometimes. You understand? So the way you just stay react, the thing just tire me really, because the way you just stay like the way this my video now just for peace, just for peace to reign. Make una make peace. All of us will be those. You don't suppose maybe say we'll come the quarrel for social media. What say other people, other tribe? Which idol did they look us? Which idol did they look us? Lady T. He say Jama First Lady say you throw mad give am too. So my dear, my sister, I beg, we just make peace for this YouTube. Don't be now all those quarrel things, because I really love your show. I dey watch you. I know I never really see you for all those kind things once. So the thing just surprised me. I don't know what it really like, what it caused the problem, what it can just bring all those problems. So say Jama First Lady, a husband, he dey inside bottle, he dey inside this. All those things with a mature past something for this life, you understand? When I even see the way some people take the talk for the matter, this one talk you, this one talk you, I say, okay, today I can't do my own. You understand? But Lady T, my sister, I beg, may you calm down. All those my video now just to make peace just reign, I beg. Anything about a reply or con reply to Jama First Lady, I beg, no do am again. Jama First Lady no reply to Lady T again, I beg. Make all those things, make you just die like that. Because people wey they call in a quarrel and they like for social media. If they say you know they do saga, they no go wan watch you. All of them just they look for saga for everywhere, every corner. So say some people no go, they'll forget now say they put food for fire because of saga. I beg my sister, my sisters, Mona rest for this matter. Mona just rest. But Mona just let this matter just quench like that. Not be this one because they say this one not be this one get picky, the other one not being get picky, the other one they beat it picky, the other one I beg all those one with the mature pass something now, with a big pass something. You understand? And they watch the 12 now, you know. So not be now I enter YouTube we be saying now those kind of quarrel come they start. Okay, waiting other people will come this platform YouTuber will just they come now. Which eye they will come to the look now? Which eye? The quarrel that is the thing we just happen never even reach we be say husband picture go come out, children picture go come out, you can't involve children picture, you can't involve a mama picture, husband mama for that matter. This one bring you, the other one bring you, you know caught for. I beg, me will just make peace for me will let peace reign. Make all those things just die down like this as it just did. Now me just stop. I beg. I beg. And this my video now just to make peace, not be quarrel or the saga or the say the fight one can start again. No. I know they dread this one, I know they dread this one. I just want to make peace just reign. I beg. More let peace reign for this YouTube. Not be only Edo day YouTube. Not be only Benin people day YouTube. Other tribe then they. Why come be saying only Benin? I would deny that they hear quarrel. No, we see they take am easy now. No, they take am easy. Yeah. Because the way the whole thing they go now, you can't just be like say now only we na dey YouTube now. Facebook now Benin. YouTube again. What cause this poor YouTube again? I beg. Wanna stop all those things. This one husband, the bonisa, the other one husband, the I beg. I don't say na quarrel na anger they make when they talk all those things. Nothing like that. Nothing like that. I beg my people. May we let peace reign. Quarrel. And then another thing when I want to talk, even though say quarrel day for say you with somebody they quarrel, more they bring children picture come out again. I beg. More they bring children picture come out again. Because it's not concern the children now. You with the woman we get that quarrel, more on your face each other. You see the children, he no concern am, I beg. More how they even the talk go there again. Because I don't say now the callers now they lie. Callers go just lie, one just fair. Maybe if they verse for you can just see and now say you they quarrel with somebody for YouTube, they'll just come begin to talk with their eye, know you're rich. They'll just come, you just see the person go just call, carry one big lie for that person head, you will just say the truth. I remember one time when the one video come they go viral, but they say na German First Lady they dance for one party. But when me see that video, I don't say not be you, but many people say now you. Even one girl when they do Facebook Live would start to they insult you before. And when you can't prove them, when you can't bring the things come out, then you can't say, not be you. She have to apologize. I see how she apologize. Say I don't verse so you say now you. You understand? So I beg, me will just let this matter just die down like this. I beg, me not do other video again. Until they provoke each other. Mona just rest, I beg. Mona just rest for this matter. Mona let this matter just go like that. Mona let her just go like that. Children they wash, husbands they wash, everybody, the whole world, they are watching us. Nigeria, everybody, the whole world are watching. They'll call you, they see all those things. We don't mature now. When I let this matter just die down like this, I beg, I beg. I just come for peace. I not come for quarrel. So Mona take am. If Mona not look and say, who be this one? Who be this one? Want come make peace? I beg. Mona not commonize the video. Mona just like make everybody, everywhere just silent. Everywhere just cool. The way it ever before. Not be this quarrel here. If you just look here na quarrel. If you look this side na quarrel. The big pass something now. We will stop all those things. I beg. Now beg at the beg now, Lady T and the German first lady. Now beg now the beg now. Make peace reign. Wanna just make peace just reign. I beg. Make this thing just go like that. Make it just stop. No matter how quarrel, we go the quarrel. We will not the big pictures come out again. We will not the bring husband mama picture. Bring children picture. Bring this one a picture. Bring the other. All those one not called for now. You can't go the root old pictures where person first snap. Go they bring a comment. Everybody they grow every day now. You know be the way you be before now. So that is why if you bring the old picture now, the time when she they young, if you can't say bring the new one, those say you don't mature past that one now. So we will not do all those things again. I beg. I beg like they beg now. I just come for peace. Make peace reign. So thank you everybody. Take care. And if you see this video, please share the video. Just share, please. Make we forget all those saga of it. The saga not they give anything. They give anything. So thank you everybody. Take care until I come your way next time. I remember your one and only Lady J. Bye.